Feeling the heat crush your comfort? Stick around, because today we're unveiling the top 5 best air conditioners that will transform your space into a cool oasis. Welcome to the channel, where smart choices meet real relief. Check the description for the best deals and let's beat the heat together. The number 5 product on our list is Dreo Portable Air Conditioner. Ever wonder if a portable AC can really replace bulky window units without sacrificing power? The Dreo Portable Air Conditioner surprises with 14,000 BTU cooling, perfect for up to 400 SQ FT rooms. A top contender in the top 5 best air conditioner lineup, its whisper-quiet 46 dB operation feels like a breath of fresh air for light sleepers and nurseries. Plus, the drainage-free system means no messy water trays, a game-changer for hassle-free cooling. With smart voice and app control, managing comfort remotely has never been easier. The adjustable window kit fits sliding and double-hung windows, making installation seamless, a rare gem for sliding window owners. While slightly bulky, its 3-in-1 cooling, dehumidifying and fan modes make it a year-round companion. If you crave smart, quiet and efficient cooling, Dreo's AC516S is a smart buy worth considering. Number 4 is LG Smart Window Air Conditioner. Think a window AC can't be smart and ultra-quiet? Think again. The LG Smart Window Air Conditioner redefines comfort with its revolutionary dual inverter technology, delivering powerful cooling at just 44 dB. Quieter than a library, perfect for medium rooms up to 400 square feet. This model easily earns its spot among the top 5 best air conditioner choices for sliding windows. What truly sets it apart? LG Think technology lets you control your AC remotely via smartphone or voice commands. Total convenience in today's busy world. Multiple fan speeds and 4-ways air deflection give you tailored airflow, while energy savings of up to 25% ease your bills. Sure, it's a bit pricier than basic units, but the peace of mind, whisper-quiet operation, and smart features make it a worthy investment for anyone seeking seamless, efficient cooling with high-tech ease. The third one on our list is DELLA Vario Series Mini Split AC. Ready for a mini split that's both powerful and energy-mart? The DELLA Vario Series Mini Split AC stands out in the top 5 best air conditioner lineup with its impressive 18,000 BTU cooling and heating, covering up to 1,000 SQF tech. What really grabs attention? Its DC inverter tech slashes energy use by up to 30%, perfect for those battling high bills. The smart sensor adjusts airflow based on where you are, not just the unit's location. Talk about personalized comfort. Installation is pro only, but the ultra-quiet 50 dBA operation is a game-changer, ideal for bedrooms or home offices. Unlike portable units, DELLA delivers steady, even cooling with 4D airflow and turbo modes, making it a versatile choice. Sure, it's a bigger investment and requires professional setup, but for those needing reliable, efficient climate control, it's a smart pick that earns our seal of approval. On number 2 is Senville Aura Series Mini Split Air Conditioner. Imagine controlling your comfort with just your voice. Sounds futuristic, right? The Senville Aura Series Mini Split AC makes that a reality. Ranked among the top 5 best air conditioner options, it blends smart Alexa integration with powerful, energy-efficient cooling and heating. This unit handles extreme weather down to Mach 22 DGF, making it perfect for both homes and businesses. Its sleek design fits effortlessly into any space while delivering reliable performance. Installation requires a pro, but the seamless control via app or voice is pure convenience, giving you peace of mind whether you're home or away. Compared to other mini splits, Senville stands out for its balance of efficiency and smart features. If you want dependable year-round comfort without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice, especially for those who value tech-savvy solutions and real-world performance. Now moving to the last one is Whynter Portable Air Conditioner. Here's a powerhouse that redefines portable cooling. Whynter Portable Air Conditioner, proudly standing among the top 5 best air conditioner picks. Did you know it's crowned Good Housekeeping's 2025 Best Overall Portable AC? It cools large rooms up to 500 SQFF with impressive 14,000 BTU power, yet runs quietly at just 51 dBA. Perfect for bedrooms or offices. What truly sets it apart is the patented auto-drain system that eliminates messy condensate, plus a built-in dehumidifier that tackles humidity with ease. Total peace of mind during hot, sticky days. Its dual-hose design boosts efficiency, making it a smart, eco-friendly choice using planet-safe refrigerant. While it's bulkier than window units, the ease of mobility and robust performance make it a game changer. If you need reliable, quiet cooling with advanced features, this Whynter unit is a smart investment that delivers comfort and quality without compromise. The winner is the Whynter Portable Air Conditioner, offering powerful cooling, portability, and energy efficiency. It outperforms others in flexibility and reliability, making it the top pick among portable and mini split options. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.